Lately I've been talking to a lot of people, clients, students prepping for consulting, and the same question keeps coming up. With all this AI stuff happening, is consulting even a safe career anymore? I totally get it. It feels like every week there's some new headline about AI taking over jobs. Just recently, McKinsey rolled out 12,000 internal AI agents. Yeah, you heard that right. 12,000. That's not a mistake. Nope. So, of course, people start wondering, what does that actually mean? Are consultants being replaced? Is the whole career about to change? We've had clients at my consulting offer ask me this very question, worried about whether it's even worth trying to break in right now. Okay, I want to walk you through what those AI tools are really doing, where AI fits in consulting, and where it just can't replace the human side of things. Plus, if you're thinking about breaking into consulting right now, I'll share what this means for you and how to make sure you're ready for a future where AI is another teammate. First, let's talk about that McKinsey thing. When you hear 12,000 AI agents, it sounds like they're replacing consultants with robots or something, right? But it's actually a bit more down to earth. These agents are AI tools trained to do very specific, repetitive tasks inside the firm. Things like quickly summarizing large reports, or drafting first versions of client memos or proposals, or pulling together relevant case studies from their vast archives, doing research and data crunching faster than any human could. Think of it as having a really smart assistant who never sleeps and doesn't complain about busy work. But, and this is key, those agents aren't making the big decisions. They're not leading client meetings or navigating office politics. Just the other week, I was chatting with one of our clients at my consulting offer. He's deep into prep for his BCG interviews, and when he saw the AI news, he got really nervous. He said, if AI can do all this analysis and writing now, what do I even bring to the table? Well, I still have a job. And I could hear the stress in his voice. It's the kind of question that keeps people up at night. I told him, look, I get the fear. But here's the thing. Consulting has faced tech disruptions before. I reminded him about how people freaked out when Excel became a thing, how some thought analysis would become obsolete, or when info started flooding online and some thought clients wouldn't need consultants because Google had the answers. But consulting didn't vanish. It got smarter, more strategic, more focused on value that goes beyond what software can do. Here's the deal. AI is amazing at crunching data, spotting patterns, and automating repetitive stuff. For example, imagine you're working on a market sizing problem. AI can pull together industry reports, crunch numbers, and give you a quick, clean estimate in minutes. What used to take hours for a junior analyst just got slashed. But here's what AI can't do. At least not yet, and honestly, I don't think it will anytime soon. Build trust and relationships with clients. Read the room in a tense board meeting. Help different teams find common grounds when they're stuck in a conflict. Balance what's ideal on paper with what's actually doable for the client. Those are human skills, and they're the heart of consulting. So while AI can speed up the grunt work, consulting still needs people who can take those AI-generated insights and turn them into action. Clients hire consultants not just for answers, but for help making tough calls, the kind that affect whole companies, jobs, and markets. That human judgment, that's not going anywhere. Let me put this into perspective. Remember when email was new and some people said it would kill meetings? Or when automation replaced assembly line jobs, some people thought white-collar roles would be next. The reality is more complex. Technology shifts the nature of the work, but it also creates new roles, new demands, and new ways to deliver value. Consulting has always adapted by focusing on what humans do best: creativity, leadership, empathy, and judgment. If you're trying to break into consulting right now, especially with AI changing the landscape, here's the key thing. First, get comfortable with AI tools. Don't shy away from ChatGPT, Claude, or any AI platform. Start experimenting with them so you can show future employees that you know how to use these tools to speed up research, generate ideas, or even prepare frameworks. It isn't just nice to have, it's becoming expected. Second, master the fundamentals of consulting prep. That means case interviews, but also means the soft skills. Practice thinking critically and structuring problems clearly. Work on your communication and storytelling skills, because no IA can replace the ability to inspire and lead a team. Third, stay informed on how AI is impacting business and consulting. Follow industry news, learn about digital transformation projects, and understand ethical considerations around AI. Being able to speak confidently about these topics in interviews or client conversations will set you apart. Fourth, build genuine connections. Reach out to current consultants and recruiters to learn about their experience working with AI in their projects. Networking isn't just about getting a referral. It's how you build real insights and prepare yourself for the future of consulting. And finally, show adaptability. The consulting firms hiring now want people who can learn quickly and pivot as things change. Demonstrate this mindset throughout your prep and interviews. This mix of AI savvy, core consulting skills, business knowledge, and networking is your recipe for standing out. Firms like McKinsey, BCG, and Accenture aren't waiting for AI to replace consultants. They're investing billions in AI capabilities and training their consultants to use AI tools to be faster and better. This is a power up, not a phase out. So yeah, McKinsey's 12,000 AI agents are a big deal, but they're not a death sentence for consultants. They're a sign that the industry is changing, and the consultants who learn to work with AI, not fight it, will be the ones leading the future. If you're prepping for interviews, make sure you can talk about AI intelligently. Show that you're ready for the consulting world of tomorrow, where AI is just another tool in your toolkit. And hey, if you're on your consulting journey right now, maybe feeling a little unsure, drop a comment below with the firm and the city you're targeting, like Deloitte Singapore or McKinsey New York. I'll send you some free resources to help you prep smarter and faster. And if you're serious about wanting to land an offer at a top firm, my team and I are also running free hands-on workshops designed to help you break in, especially in this new AI-powered landscape. So when you're ready to take the next step, click on the link below to sign up. And I think you'll want to hear Tobias' story. He got into McKinsey despite having a non-business major. In fact, he was majoring in German literature in college. All right, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.